If you want to be involved in testing the drone mission converter, which is up on Google Play in a test track, you must send me your email. I will add you to the licensed testers, and then I will send you an email with a link to download the application. And this is one of those emails with that link. So once you've received it, you simply press on the link and it will take you to Google Play. Then you can select install and it will install it. Then you can select open and it will take you to the initial subscription screen. Now don't worry about the subscription because under testing it's completely free. As you can see, it would normally cost, well, it's $2 a week and it's free for the first week. However, as I said, totally ignore that. You can select start free trial and Google Play will come up, and as you can see, you've got test card, always approves. So that's a test credit card supplied by Google Play. It will not charge you. Hit subscribe and you're subscribed, and after a couple of seconds it takes you to the application. Now that's the first screen you'll see of the application. You have to accept the disclaimer. You need to select storage, which must be the documents folder. As it happens, it's taken me straight to the documents, and I could hit use this folder right now, but I will take you back to the root just to show you what it's like. Those are all the folders in the root directory, and then you select documents, and voila, back in documents. You can select use this folder, you must select allow, continue, you must approve all permissions while using the app, and voila, you're now running the app for real. So please refer to the videos on running the application. Thank you.